Start in the farthest corner from the main entry and work toward the exits to keep your pathway clean and efficient. Begin by preparing the subfloor. Clean, level, and dry it. Then apply a cement backer board or appropriate underlayment if needed, and allow it to cure fully before setting any tile. Dry, lay a full row mock-up with spacers to establish your grout joint size and confirm the layout lines, adjusting for large cut tiles at visible edges and ensuring a balanced look. Snap chalk lines from your starting corner toward the exits to keep rows straight, and use a quality notched trowel matched to the tile size to achieve full coverage and proper bed thickness, checking each tile with a rubber mallet and a straight edge to maintain level across rows. Tile under freestanding appliances such as refrigerators and ranges so you avoid future replacement issues, but stop at fixed base cabinets unless you plan to remove them later, which reduces needless cutting and seams in hidden areas. Stagger joints with a half tile offset or another consistent brick pattern to distribute stress and reduce the risk of cracking, and keep consistent grout joint widths for a uniform appearance and predictable grout consumption. As you approach doorways and room transitions, switch to smaller rectangular or mosaic tiles if necessary to minimize awkward slivers, and use a transition strip if heights differ between rooms to prevent trip hazards. Clean excess thinset from joints as you go with a damp sponge and avoid walking on uncured tiles. Wait at least 24 hours before heavy traffic and follow the thinset and grout manufacturer cure times precisely. Common mistakes include starting at the visible doorway and ending up with narrow slivers of tile at the far wall, which looks unbalanced and wastes time. Solve this by dry laying and adjusting your starting point, so cut tiles at visible edges are at least 1/3 of a full tile. Another issue is poor thinset coverage that leads to hollow spots and eventual tile breakage. Use the proper notched trowel, comb in one direction, and back butter large format tiles if needed to reach full contact. A third frequent problem is tiling under fixed cabinets or leaving tiles out under appliances that are later moved, creating mismatched heights or rework. Plan the installation sequence, tile under removable freestanding appliances, and stop at permanent cabinets unless you will remove them. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find local contractors by letting us search profiles, read community discussion threads, and learn from other homeowners' experiences. We also help contractors find work by listing projects and participating in our discussion community where we connect buyers and sellers.